Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Apache NetBeans. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about this powerful, open-source integrated development environment, especially tailored for beginners diving into Java programming. NetBeans is not just an IDE. It's a complete development suite that supports multiple programming languages including Java, PHP, HTML5, and more. With its cross-platform availability, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you can seamlessly develop your projects. Apache NetBeans is a free and open-source integrated development environment developed by the Apache Software Foundation. Originally created by Sun Microsystems, it has evolved into a robust platform that allows developers to build desktop, mobile, and web applications. Its modular design means you can customize your environment by installing only the modules you need, making it lightweight yet powerful. Whether you're working with Java, PHP, or HTML5, NetBeans offers extensive support for a wide range of technologies. Choosing the right IDE is crucial for any developer, especially for beginners. Apache NetBeans stands out because it's completely free and open source, meaning no licensing fees or hidden costs. It's particularly excellent for those starting their journey in Java, offering intuitive tools and a clean interface. The IDE also boasts a strong plugin ecosystem that allows you to extend its functionality. Plus, it works across all major operating systems, ensuring flexibility in your development environment. Getting started with Apache NetBeans is straightforward. First, visit the official Apache NetBeans website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The process is user-friendly, guiding you through each step. After installation, verify that everything is set up correctly by launching the IDE and checking for initial configurations. Creating your first project in Apache NetBeans is simple and intuitive. Open the IDE and select New Project from the Welcome screen or the File menu. You'll be prompted to choose a project type. For beginners, Java application is a great starting point. Configure your project settings such as name and location, and NetBeans will automatically generate the necessary folder structure. This setup prepares you for writing and organizing your code efficiently. The NetBeans interface is designed for efficiency and ease of use. At the top, you'll find the menu bar with all essential options. On the left side, the Project Explorer panel displays your project structure. The central area is the code editor, where you write and edit your code with syntax highlighting and auto-completion. Below that, the output console shows compilation and runtime messages. The toolbar provides quick access to common actions like running, debugging, and building your project. Let's write your first Java program in NetBeans. Start by creating a new Java class in your project. NetBeans will automatically generate a basic template for you. Write a simple program like printing "Hello, world" to the console. Take advantage of the auto-completion features that suggest methods and variables as you type. Once your code is ready, click the Run button to execute your program and see the output in the console. One of the standout features of Apache NetBeans is its intelligent auto-completion and code templates. As you type, NetBeans suggests methods, variables, and even entire code blocks, significantly speeding up your coding process. This feature also helps reduce errors by ensuring you're using valid syntax and available methods. You can further customize code templates to match your coding style, making your development workflow even more efficient. Debugging is an essential part of software development, and NetBeans makes it easy. You can set breakpoints in your code by clicking on the line numbers. When you run your program in debug mode, execution will pause at these breakpoints. From there, you can step through the code line by line, inspect variable values, and use the debugging console to evaluate expressions. This powerful debugging capability helps you identify and fix issues quickly. Managing your projects and files efficiently is key to maintaining a clean and organized code base. In NetBeans, the Project Explorer panel allows you to organize your files and folders intuitively. You can create new packages and classes directly from the interface. Refactoring tools help you rename variables, methods, and classes across your entire project with a single command. Additionally, You can easily import external libraries to extend your project's functionality. Once your code is ready, NetBeans makes it simple to build and run your applications. With a single click, you can compile your code and see the build output in the console. Running your application is just as easy, simply click the Run button. For distribution, NetBeans can generate executable jar files that package your application and its dependencies. This streamlined process ensures that you can focus on coding rather than managing builds. Apache NetBeans supports a rich ecosystem of plugins that extend its functionality. You can install plugins directly from the NetBeans plugin portal, adding features like version control integration, additional language support, and more. Managing your installed plugins is straightforward through the Plugins dialog, where you can enable, disable, or uninstall them. For advanced users, NetBeans also provides APIs for creating custom plugins tailored to your specific needs. Version control is crucial for collaborative development, and NetBeans integrates seamlessly with Git. You can commit and push changes directly from the IDE, view your commit history, and even resolve merge conflicts with visual tools. This integration streamlines your workflow, allowing you to manage your codebase without leaving the development environment. Whether you're working solo or in a team, version control support in NetBeans ensures your code stays organized and secure. Understanding the architecture of Apache NetBeans helps you appreciate its flexibility and power. At its core, NetBeans is built on a modular architecture, where the base platform provides essential services. Language-specific modules add support for Java, PHP, HTML, and more. The plugin architecture allows developers to extend functionality by creating and installing custom modules. This layered approach ensures that NetBeans remains lightweight while offering extensive capabilities. While NetBeans is powerful, optimizing its performance can enhance your development experience. Adjusting memory settings in the configuration file can improve responsiveness, especially for large projects. Disabling plugins you don't use reduces overhead. Choosing lightweight themes can also speed up rendering. Regularly clearing the cache ensures that old or corrupted data doesn't slow down the IDE. These small tweaks can make a big difference in performance. In the real world, Apache NetBeans is widely used for developing large-scale enterprise Java applications. It supports popular frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, making it easier to build robust backend systems. Integrated testing tools allow developers to write and run unit tests directly within the IDE. Additionally, NetBeans provides deployment capabilities for various servers, streamlining the process of getting your application live. When comparing NetBeans to other IDEs like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA, several factors stand out. Unlike some paid solutions, NetBeans is completely free and open source. Its interface is particularly beginner-friendly, making it easier for new developers to get started. NetBeans excels in Java support, offering tools and features tailored for Java development. Being community-driven, it continuously evolves based on user feedback and contributions. NetBeans isn't limited to desktop applications. It also supports mobile development, particularly for Android. With the right plugins, you can develop, test, and debug Android applications directly within the IDE. The integrated emulator allows you to run your apps without needing a physical device. This makes NetBeans a versatile choice for developers looking to expand into mobile platforms. For web developers, NetBeans offers comprehensive support for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It includes an integrated web server for testing your applications locally. The live preview feature allows you to see changes in real time as you code. Integration with front-end frameworks like Angular and React makes it easier to build modern web applications. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web app, NetBeans has the tools you need. Working with databases is a common requirement in many applications, and NetBeans provides excellent database integration. You can connect to various databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle directly from the IDE. The built-in SQL editor offers syntax highlighting and auto-completion, making it easier to write queries. You can execute queries and view results without leaving NetBeans. Additionally, visual tools allow you to browse and edit database tables directly. Personalizing your development environment can greatly improve productivity. NetBeans allows you to customize various aspects of the IDE, from themes and fonts to key bindings and code templates. You can adjust editor preferences to match your coding style, such as indentation settings and line spacing. These customization options ensure that NetBeans feels comfortable and efficient for your unique workflow. The NetBeans community is vibrant and supportive, offering a wealth of learning resources. The official documentation provides comprehensive guides and API references. Community forums are great places to ask questions and share knowledge. There are countless video tutorials available that cover everything from basic usage to advanced features. For those interested in plugin development, detailed guides help you extend NetBeans functionality. Security is a critical aspect of software development, and NetBeans includes several features to help you write secure code. Built-in code analysis tools can identify potential vulnerabilities and suggest improvements. The IDE promotes secure coding practices by highlighting risky patterns. Plugin security checks ensure that third-party modules don't introduce vulnerabilities. Regular updates from the Apache community also address any security concerns promptly. As you become more experienced, NetBeans offers advanced debugging techniques to tackle complex issues. Conditional breakpoints allow you to pause execution only when specific conditions are met. Watch expressions let you monitor variable values in real time. Thread debugging helps you understand multi-threaded applications. Memory profiling tools assist in identifying performance bottlenecks and memory leaks, ensuring your applications run efficiently. Ensuring code quality is essential, and NetBeans provides robust support for testing. Built-in JUnit integration makes it easy to write and run unit tests. The IDE supports test-driven development practices, encouraging you to write tests before code. Code coverage analysis helps you understand how much of your code is tested. Automated testing integration streamlines the process of running tests as part of your build pipeline. Once your application is ready, NetBeans simplifies the deployment and distribution process. You can generate executable jar files that include all necessary dependencies. Deploying to servers like Tomcat or Glassfish is straightforward with built-in tools. Packaging your application with all required libraries ensures it runs smoothly on other machines. For desktop applications, you can even create installers that make setup effortless for end users. Collaboration is key in modern development teams, and NetBeans offers features to support teamwork. Shared project settings ensure consistency across team members. Integration with code review tools streamlines the feedback process. Remote development support allows you to work on projects hosted on remote servers. These features make NetBeans a great choice for collaborative environments where multiple developers contribute to the same code base. For advanced users, NetBeans provides powerful APIs that allow you to extend its functionality. You can develop custom modules that add new features or enhance existing ones. The APIs support custom editor enhancements, such as new syntax highlighters or code analyzers. Integration with external tools is also possible, allowing you to connect NetBeans with your preferred development stack. The plugin marketplace offers a wide range of extensions created by the community. To get the most out of Apache NetBeans, following best practices can significantly improve your experience. Organizing your projects effectively helps maintain clarity and structure. Using version control ensures your code is safe and manageable. Regularly updating your plugins keeps your IDE secure and feature-rich. Leveraging community resources like forums and tutorials can accelerate your learning and problem-solving. Even with a powerful IDE like NetBeans, there are common pitfalls that can hinder your productivity. Ignoring performance settings can lead to a sluggish experience, especially with large projects. Not using version control puts your code at risk. Overloading your IDE with unnecessary plugins can cause instability. Skipping documentation means missing out on valuable features and best practices. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you avoid them and use NetBeans more effectively. The future of Apache NetBeans looks promising, thanks to its active community and ongoing development. The project continues to evolve with support for new technologies and programming languages. Performance improvements are regularly introduced to make the IDE faster and more efficient. Enhanced user experience features are also in the pipeline, ensuring that NetBeans remains a top choice for developers worldwide. To wrap up this tutorial, here's a quick checklist to help you get started with Apache NetBeans. First, install the NetBeans IDE from the official website. Next, configure the JDK path to ensure Java applications can be compiled and run. Create your first project to familiarize yourself with the interface. Finally, Take some time to explore key features like debugging, version control, and plugin management. This checklist sets you on the right path to mastering NetBeans. Let's take a look at how Apache NetBeans compares to other popular IDEs in terms of performance. While NetBeans may have a slightly longer startup time compared to Eclipse, its memory usage is generally efficient. Plugin load times are competitive, especially with proper configuration. User satisfaction ratings consistently highlight NetBeans' ease of use and Java support. This chart provides a clear overview of where NetBeans stands in the IDE landscape. Understanding the typical workflow in NetBeans can help you use the IDE more effectively. It starts with project creation, where you set up your development environment. Next comes code development, utilizing features like auto-completion and templates. Testing and debugging ensure your code works as expected. Finally, deployment packages your application for distribution. This workflow diagram illustrates how each phase connects seamlessly within NetBeans. The modular architecture of Apache NetBeans is one of its defining features. At the base are the core platform modules that provide essential services. Language support modules add functionality for Java, PHP, HTML, and more. Plugin modules extend the IDE with additional features. The user interface layer ties everything together, providing a cohesive experience. This architecture allows NetBeans to remain flexible and customizable. To recap, Apache NetBeans is a powerful, free and open-source IDE that supports multiple programming languages. Its intuitive interface makes it ideal for beginners, while its advanced features cater to experienced developers. Powerful debugging tools help you identify and fix issues quickly. An extensive plugin ecosystem allows you to customize and extend the IDE's functionality. These features make NetBeans a versatile choice for any development project. Thank you for watching this comprehensive tutorial on Apache NetBeans. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on development tools and technologies. Don't hesitate to leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like to see covered next. Sharing this video with fellow developers helps spread the knowledge. Until next time, happy coding. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.